How to reset Telegram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can reset your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, resetting your Telegram account is also actually quite a very simple thing to do, because maybe you're trying to log into your Telegram account, you went ahead and then enter your phone number as well over here, but then the problem here is that even after you verified your phone number, it's asking you for a password which maybe you don't remember for some reason. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and then reset that password, whenever you're on the password page, you'll find the forgot password button, so you can just try to click on that forgot password button. But in case there is no forgot password button and in case you don't remember it, just tap on it, then it's going to send a verification code to your email. So you have to basically check your email and see if you've received any sort of verification code from Telegram, and if you have received any sort of verification code from Telegram, you'll also find the option to reset them accordingly. And that's all it takes to reset your Telegram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.